Hello students, welcome to the English Shorthand channel, Shorthand Destination. I am going to dictate you a general matter of 847 words at the speed of 111 words per minute. So students, get ready. Start.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, India is an agricultural country. Stop. 75% of the people living in this country are farmers and hitherto they have remained very much neglected. Stop. The new government has given an assurance and our party has also made a demand to that effect that 60% of our national income should be spent on farmers and the development of villages. Stop. Our villages, where these farmers live are without roads, schools and various other basic amenities. Stop. That is why we have demanded that 60% of the national income should be spent on the farmers and agriculture should be given the status of industry. Stop. As regards the field of poultry farming, cattle farming, the centers of milk production and poultry farming can work together by supplementing each other and it could fetch a substantial income to the farmers. Stop. The government, particularly, the central government should provide funds for this purpose so that farmers can work according to their own requirements. Stop. Next param. So far the question of storage of agricultural products in constant, particularly, the storage of surplus production of onion in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, lakhs of quintals of onion was destroyed because there was no arrangement of godowns for its storage. Stop. However, arrangements should be made to go in for the export of surplus onion to foreign countries. Stop. Last year, there was a lot of bungling in the export of onions to foreign countries. Stop. If we resort to the optimum export of onion, it will fetch more money and the farmer will also be benefited thereby. Stop. I would like to say that there should be a uniform price of sugarcane in the state, that is rupees 60 per quintal. Stop. Though the farmers works very hard in his field, but they do not get the due return. Stop. On the other hand, the sugar is produced in the factory and you may see to it that the prices of sugar is soaring high. Stop. Sugar is in great demand in and outside the country and so it should be exported to foreign countries. Stop. Next paragraph. I would like to give a suggestion to the central government that the government should think seriously on this matter. Stop. The agricultural laborers should be given at least the minimum wages as has been fixed by the central government, it is a genuine demand of these people. Stop. The farmers are also not getting for irrigation purposes. Stop. You will see that in our state of Bihar, the supply position of electricity is very bad. Stop. The government may advance the argument that it is a state subject dash, but I would like to tell you that the central government had taken a decision 10 years back to set up a hydel power project for Ranchi, but this project has not been completed so far. Stop. For that purpose, crores of rupees have been given by the government and this scheme aims at creating the generation capacity of 1000 megawatt. Stop. But the state government as well as the central government is not taking any action in this matter. Stop. With the completion of this major power project, the factories can be started in the area and the work of irrigation can also be done. Stop. It may also cater to the power requirements of Chota Nagpur. Stop. Chemical fertilizer should be made available to the farmers at the subsidized price, that is 50% of the actual price. Stop. However, at the subsidized rates, the farmers can buy the maximum quantity of their requirement of chemical fertilizer. Stop. The central government should give subsidy to the extent of 50% in it. Stop. Next para. One more point I would like to make is about protection of cow progeny. Stop. Many honorable members may think that I am talking of communalism, but that is not my intention. Stop. I am saying it because it relates to agriculture and it has economic base. Stop. You know that cost of bullocks has gone up all over the country. Stop. Small and marginal farmers are unable to purchase them. Stop. I come from rural areas where people are facing lot of difficulties. Stop. The cost of tractor has also gone up. Stop. Farmers use bullocks for plowing fields, sowing seeds and for many other purposes, but they do not have processing power. Stop. The cost of an ordinary bullock is rupees 5,000, whereas the bullock of good breed is being sold at rupees 20,000. Stop. It is all because of diminution of cow progeny. Stop. Cows are butchered in slaughterhouses. Stop. I have mentioned it because our society has a very high regard for cow and even our forefathers treated it as within single quote Gomata decode. Stop. It is very useful from economic point of view also. Stop. Next para. The World Bank has given crores of rupees to the government for constructing markets all over the country. Stop. The Krishi markets constructed in Bihar have not been built at proper places. Stop. This relates to the central government. Stop. Engineers construct such markets at the outskirts of the villages and huge sums of money are pocketed by them, as a result of which no proper utilization can be made thereof. Stop.